Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic components of a computer system. Introduction. A computer system is made up of hardware and software components. The hardware components include the input output devices, CPU, memory, and storage devices. The software components include the operating system, application software, and utility software. Input devices. Input devices allow users to enter data and command into a computer. Examples of input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphones. Each types of input devices has a specific function and purpose. Central Processing Unit (CPU) is the brain of the computer. It is responsible for executing instructions. It consists of control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Memory, RAM and ROM. RAM is the short-term memory of a computer system. ROM is non-volatile and holds firmware and basic input-output system. RAM is faster than ROM. Output devices. Output devices are peripherals that provide data from the computer to the user. Common examples include monitors, printers, and speakers. These devices allow user to see, hear, and feel the results of their computing tasks. Storage devices. Hard disk drivers store data on spinning disks. Solid state drivers use flash memory to store data. Optical drivers read and write data using lasers. Motherboard. The main circuits board contains the CPU, memory, and other essential components. Provides connections for other hardware components. Software. Operating system manages hardware and provides services for computer programs. Application software programs designed to perform specific tasks. For example, word processing, web browsing, etc. Peripherals. Additional devices such as webcams, microphones, and external drives that connect to the computer. Network devices. Router connects multiple computers in a network and routes data between them. Modem modulates and demodulates digital data for transmission over telephone or cable lines. Network card enables the computer to connect to a network wired or wireless. Power supply unit converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer components. Thank you for listening to my presentations about the components of computer system. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like and subscribe.